Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. A new year does not always start with big celebrations. Sometimes it starts quietly in a hostel room with two friends thinking about life, goals, and personal growth. In this video, two hostel mates sit together on the first day of the new year and talk about productive planning, realistic goals, daily habits, mental peace, and self-improvement. Their conversation is calm, honest, and slightly humorous, showing how real people plan their future without pressure. This dialogue uses easy English, long sentences, and natural expressions, making it perfect for English beginners and ESL learners who want to improve listening and speaking skills through real-life situations. So relax, listen carefully, and start your new year by learning English in a simple and meaningful way.
It feels peaceful this morning because the hostel is unusually quiet, and it gives me time to think clearly without distractions.
Yes, the silence feels rare because most days our minds are full of noise, even when the room is quiet.
That is why I like the first day of the new year. Not because everything changes suddenly, but because it gives us a moment to pause and reflect.
I agree, because reflection helps us understand where we wasted time and where we actually made progress.
Last year taught me that motivation alone is unreliable, and discipline matters more than excitement.
That realization came to me as well, because I started many plans with strong energy, but I failed to continue them when life became busy.
This year, I want to focus on small habits that I can repeat daily, instead of chasing big goals that feel overwhelming.
That makes sense, because consistency builds confidence, while unfinished goals only create guilt.
One habit I want to build is better time management, because poor planning creates unnecessary stress.
Time management is important, but I also want to learn how to forgive myself when I fail occasionally.
That is a very mature thought, because growth does not mean perfection, it means learning from mistakes.
This year, I want to treat my mind like a friend instead of a strict judge.
If we were kinder to ourselves, we would probably work better and feel lighter.
Another important plan for me is improving my communication skills, especially English, because it opens many doors.
That is a strong goal, and we can support each other by practicing English conversations daily in the room.
That would help a lot, and it will also make our hostel life more productive and interesting.
I also want to reduce screen time because my phone consumes energy without giving real value.
Our phones know more about our habits than we do, and that is slightly scary.
That is why I want to control my phone instead of letting it control my attention.
For me, health is also a priority this year, not in an extreme way, but through regular walking and better sleep.
Good sleep improves focus, mood, and productivity, so it affects everything.
Last year, our sleep schedule was unpredictable, and our mornings suffered because of it.
This year, I want to respect my energy cycles and avoid unnecessary late nights.
I also want to learn how to rest without feeling guilty, because rest is often misunderstood as laziness.
Rest is not the enemy of productivity. Burnout is.
That sentence alone feels like a lesson worth remembering.
Another thing I want to improve is my emotional control, especially during stressful situations.
Stress reduces our ability to think clearly, so managing emotions should be a priority.
I want to react slowly instead of responding impulsively.
That habit can improve relationships as well as inner peace.
This year, I also want to focus on learning skills instead of only chasing grades.
Yes, education without skills feels incomplete in the real world.
Learning practical skills gives confidence and direction.
One thing I want to avoid this year is constant comparison with others.
Comparison distracts us from our own journey and progress.
Everyone is fighting a different battle, and comparing timelines is unfair.
That realization alone can reduce half of our mental pressure.
I want this year to be simple, focused, and peaceful, rather than fast and chaotic.
Simple plans have a higher chance of success.
We should check on each other monthly and discuss progress honestly.
That accountability can keep us grounded and motivated.
It feels good to start the year with clarity instead of anxiety.
Clarity gives direction, even when motivation is low.
So our shared goal is progress, not perfection.
And consistency, not pressure.
Happy New Year, my friend. May this year teach us patience, discipline, and balance.
Happy New Year. Let us grow quietly, steadily, and honestly.